In this Redbubble review, we take a look at this popular print-on-demand website. And it's a website you want to pay attention to if you're looking to start your own print-on-demand business. So what is Redbubble? Well, it's a global marketplace for independent artists. Yeah, it was set up specifically for artists to sell their products to the world. And best of all, your art can be seamlessly printed on t-shirts, stickers, phone cases, posters, even greeting cards. And your art always belongs to you, so you retain ownership and control of your work. And with the Redbubble pricing system, you always know what your margin will be. So Redbubble quote you the base price, you add your margin, and that becomes your retail price. Then the customers pay for shipping on top. So how does Redbubble work? Well, you create your art and then you upload the files. You choose which products you want your art to be sold on. Then Redbubble handles the transactions. Once the customer has made a purchase, Redbubble coordinate the printing, and they also handle the shipping. So you don't have to do anything at all. And they also handle returns, which as an independent artist, you don't really want to get involved in. You just want to make art and sell it. But I guess you're wondering, is Redbubble legit? Well, to start with, they're listed on the stock exchange. So yes, they are a real company. And they're based in Melbourne, Australia, and have been around since 2006. But if we're going to have a look at some of the keyword research, we can see that there's over 800,000 people searching for Redbubble every month. So that's a lot of eyeballs coming past the Redbubble website and potentially looking at your art. And not only do Redbubble promote your art, they actually have some fun challenges where you can win some extra money. For instance, the Holiday Card Design Challenge. Just by creating your unique greeting cards and sharing on social media, you could win $100 and be featured on the Redbubble homepage. Now, as I said before, there's 800,000 people looking for Redbubble, and they all start at the homepage. So if you're artistically inclined and like to share your work for money, well, you want to check out Redbubble. Let's just take a look at one of these designs. This is the Christmas tree cats, and it's easily converted into a pillowcase, a t-shirt, or even stickers. And once you've done the design, you can add it to as many products as you like. And the mock-ups with Redbubble are actually quite good. So here's the Christmas tree cats, and this isn't actually a real pillow. They've just done the mock-ups for you and show you all the important features of the pillowcase you'll receive, and of course the final design. But if we quickly go back to our keyword research, we can see that there's over 23,000 people looking for Redbubble stickers every month. So if you're thinking about designing something for Redbubble, it's a must that you make it into a sticker design. Now, they do heavy promotions on stickers as well, and stickers can be purchased in a number of sizes. And best of all, the buyers get heavy discounts if they buy more than one. So buy 10 stickers and they'll get 50% off. So that's a pretty good deal as well. So that's Redbubble in a nutshell. It's one of the best kept secrets on the internet if you're looking to get into print on demand. Your alternative is to set up your own shop and pay your monthly fees and then try and find all that traffic yourself. It's actually quite hard. So with Redbubble, you get your own shop and you can share that link on social media. Then people can go ahead and find your products. And if you're looking for a Redbubble coupon, well, don't forget to sign up to their email list and get a 10% off coupon. And you'll see some of the best indie art ever. Well, that's all I've got time for today. I'm going to cover a little bit more on print on demand in some coming videos. So don't forget to like and subscribe. So until next time, it's bye for now.